Do you want to start meditating, but don't know how? Or do you already meditate, but want your sessions to last for a longer duration? In this video, I will share my best tips to do this. Meditation is the best way to calm your mind and process your thoughts. But there are a lot of different forms of meditation, so you might not know where to start. That's why I'm going to explain the basics and how it's most commonly practiced, together with some tips to extend your sessions. You can meditate at any time of the day, just pick a moment you like, and make a habit of it. For example, when you are always tired after work or school, do a standard meditation session after you got home, to recharge yourself. The first thing to do is go to the toilet, because you don't want to stop your session because you have to pee. Next, go to a quiet spot, like your bedroom. I prefer to make the room dark, to relax better, but you could also leave the lights on. Sit or lay down, for example on your bed or couch, in a comfortable position. You don't necessarily need to sit in the typical meditation position. You can meditate in any position. The most important thing is that it's comfortable. If you fall asleep easy and want to avoid that, it's better to sit, instead of laying down. You can meditate in silence, but also with meditation music. This can help you to focus deeper, and makes your mind calmer. Just search for meditation music on YouTube, and pick one you like. Music that gets me in a very deep trance is called didgeridoo. Most people prefer to meditate with eyes closed, but you can even do this with eyes open. And then, just watch your breath. It is best to breathe in and out through your nose, into your stomach. Don't breathe into your chest. Don't think too much, but make your mind calm. Another trick to avoid your mind drifting off is using a mantra. This is a sort of chant from a few words that you keep repeating in your head. This could be anything, for example, stay calm, focus, stay calm, focus. You could pick a standard duration you want to meditate, but I prefer to not do this, but just keep meditating for as long as you can. You will feel it automatically when your mind has processed enough. Sometimes this is very quick, like after 10 or 15 minutes, and sometimes it can take longer, like an hour. But even short sessions of 10 minutes a day are very effective. If it's very hard for you to calm down, you could even use a supplement to get into a deeper meditation state, like L-theanine or CBD oil. When you are in a deep state of meditation, and your body starts to calm down, it's possible to experience certain things. Very common things are movements, like with your eyes or head, and muscle twitches. These things are good, because they are signs that you're releasing tension, or even clearing energy blockages. When you never meditate, your body and mind can never calm down fully, not even when asleep. Meditation brings you in a deeper resting state because you are consciousness. That's why you can experience these signs of tension release, which you never feel normally. Another problem you can come across while meditating is you start remembering things you forgot to do, for example paying a bill, or buying something in the supermarket. The best thing to do in this case from my experience, is note that task down quick, like in your cell phone, and then restart your meditation session. Because if you think about it all the time, being afraid to forget it again, you can't fully calm down. Your mind needs to be quiet. After your meditation session you can feel a bit weird, like you have to wake up again, but when you're recovered after a few minutes, your mind will feel calmer and you will have more energy. These were the basics and my best advice for meditating. If you got any questions, comment below, I will always respond. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on. More videos like this coming soon. Good luck with meditating.